conch fritters.
Point of conch soup.
A point of
Man,
cow
God,
pie.
took a chunk out of my elbow and it jacked up my back. I am getting
Oh,
too
your
old for
back's
this.
jacked up too?
Oh, I can't even move. I look like a 90-year-old
Oh,
today. It's sad.
I finally got that thing in my back worked out. I think these levels will get blown through today, but we'll see. Kind of set up, isn't it? I don't even think we're going to look at that level, but we'll see. What did Stretch put down as support and resistance?
I don't know. I was not listening when Stretch was talking, unfortunately.
01, 801. Oh, okay. 100 points. I was going to put support back down around the.
You still
Globex.
taking this buy up here? Be careful with this.
Oh, I already got targets off.
You got your targets off? Okay.
Yeah, I put the bus stop in, dude.
I wasn't paying attention. Oh, I get an echo. You must be in. Let me mute. There we go.
Gave
I wonder why it
everybody
does that.
that one. It was an easy one, guys.
You got in long in queue. All right.
I can get down with 801 on resistance. Place this here. Let's lock. Send. Send it. Oh, I gotta get with Hugo to get that tick reversal fix. I don't know why it's freezing my computer up.
I had that problem too a long time ago. I don't know.
2 targets off.
Nice.
You guys grab a piece of that? Anybody? 2 targets off. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's our rules came down to that. And by the way, Lulu, unicorn trade here. Dude, you're obnoxious.
I think she knows now.
Who ruffled your feathers this morning?
Does she talk or does she just chirp?
No, the talk.
Chirper.
Yeah. Of course it doesn't talk. Good job, Mullet Mania. Lulu, good job. Jimmy is.
Nice. Good job, guys. Good little call this morning.
The 50% retracement of the previous high. Oh, okay. Followed you and got in long. Good job. I'm gonna tighten this up just a little bit. I'm not gonna give back.
Yeah, especially
profits.
9 minutes from the open.
This should be a good stop anyway. This little I'm not even looking. There's this little wiggle here corresponded with the wiggle back here, so the stop should be fine. I'm just going to hit true break even here, and if it takes me out, who cares?
Yeah, I think you might come down at the open.
Should turn back up here. If it doesn't, it's going to come down and take any stop out anyway. So there you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That was an easy one. Ready to get the day started with a little. It's going to get me.
Little cha-ching.
Little cheddar in your pocket.
Put a little green in your step before the morning opens.
Oh boogie. Maybe it doesn't take me. Maybe it just takes off. That'd be pretty darn cool. Doubt it though. All right. First touch rules today. First touch rules, guys. Listen. Look what I just did. Look what we just did. We waited for price to come down, retrace back down to a level, and 89 is there as well. oversold stochastics, put a buy stop in when this started creating a little structure here, and let it break out of the structure. That guys, that's all we have to do. I mean, we don't have to get any more fancy than that. Any more fancy. We don't no need to get no more fancy than that. That's it. Just oh, I'm afraid to say this, but guess who just walked up to me?
Oh, due
She
for a
just said, "Come
pullback,
back
anyways.
inside." She was outside, so maybe she just had a little frisky come say hi thing. Wonder if every time Grace comes up, you just press the sell button for a scalp, what your win percentage would be.
Just we had for the most part, that's what I do. I mean, I'd say
Oh, I'm on my stop one tick.
95% of the time.
I had my stop 2 ticks too tight.
I I honestly think you're gonna. I think you'll be fine. I mean, I think that was. It'll still come back down. I think around the open, you would have got either way.
Yeah, that's all right.
I don't think you saved anything.
I don't know. The open might be up. We're in one of those areas where it could go either
It's
way.
possible, but we are up. We are due for a little.
Pullback.
Yeah,
Yeah, you would have thought that yesterday morning as well, but
that's true. That's well said. Touche.
touche. You totally would have thought that yesterday. Um,
I mean, you could be right, but it looks like it wants to. We'll see.
we'll see. No, I mean, and again, we're in an area, ladies and gentlemen, where both NQ and ES are in areas where we've seen a good amount of chop, and just keep that in mind. Know that that's a thing in this area. Okay, this made me feel more comfortable about that. Stop.
Yeah, I mean, true stop on that would have had to been way out of ridiculousness. That would have been.
What did you? Sorry, what did you say?
I said I that's why I said I didn't when you was like I should have kept my I was like I think
Yeah.
you would have
No.
got either way. I don't think that's one of those where you really lost anything.
Well, again, in my initial thought process of this little basing on the way down and the basing
Right
here
there.
both
Yeah.
correlated with each other. So a break below that.
Well, look at that. Wow.
Hey, there you go.
Boom. Watch it shoot straight up the open.
I know.
That's all right. That's good. And we'll get the pullback.
Sure.
Let it go. One thing I know for sure, we will get the trade.
There will be a trade. Pick somebody random to say hi to. Anthony, it's been a while, buddy. What you been up to?
Anthony.
Anthony, what's up, dude?
Random people. Let's just pick some random people.
And Tony.
Yeah, let's pick a random trial. Tim, good morning. Wait, why is he?
Before Lulu. All right, those of you who are, gotta do a couple things real quick. If you're newer to us, or on trial, or listening online, join us for a 7-day free trial, libertytradingclub.com. We're happy to help you. Schedule time with a coach. We tend to be very disciplined traders here at Liberty Trading Club. You're watching our live trade room now, or you're in it. what I highly suggest you guys do is log into loadrestraightclub.com, go to the members area. Lots of resources in our members area, especially with your own trial. If you're on Ninja Trader, download our levels. You can get those. These levels work. Again, you just saw our levels working, so they work. And we have a tick reversal and tick century, which you'll see me using on the M and Q after the open. And then we have some partner discounts here throughout the week. We do have some training sessions as we go on. So again, if you start a trial with us or if you're on trial, make sure to keep an eye on the calendar. And we'll announce the activities that we have. It's like this is like day camp for adults, traders. Is what we are like. We're like day camp for traders.
Day camp for traders.
That's actually a pretty good thing to say. That's what I'm gonna say. We're like Tim, what's up, buddy? We're like day camp, like a day camp for traders. All right. So in the afternoons, we do a Premier Clubhouse, just an afternoon trading session, which we sprinkle in some education in that as well. Actually, we do a lot of teaching in the afternoon as well, between trades. It's a little bit more relaxed there. Member meetup at 4. I would highly suggest everybody going down to, including members, go back and start watching these classes again. You guys are getting away from the basics. Guys, look again. We got all caught up on those price action stuff and everything else and all these new tricks and I'm not knocking the fib levels on the NQ because they work, but at the end of the day, the basics work. That's your bread and butter should come from following the rules.
Yeah.
Too many of you guys that are struggling that I'm looking at your trades. Those of you that are sending them to me, the ones you're struggling on, you're not trading with stochastics. You're not trading with the HMA cross. You're not trading with momentum.
Always trade with that.
That's guys, simple. 3 simple things will give you an 80% win rate. I promise you. Stop doing your own thing. Stop getting a FOMO. Watch these classes. There's a whole stinking course down here that just is in depth on everything. Everything, guys. You don't need anything other than what's in this elite class replay course. You need nothing more than that. Okay? All right. Don't forget to download the mobile app. That's for everybody, not just people that are new to us. Every one of you guys, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning, Tim.
Every single one of you.
$85, $85.77 area looks pretty tempting. Let's go. We're off. We off.
All right. Those of you who are struggling to be profitable, newer to trading, please wait about maybe 6 minutes?
Yeah, why not? Let's do it. There's your and there's the area I thought about. Oh, we're too early still. We gotta wait.
All right. Sorry about that. Hey, look at that.
It's got to be patient.
What? Did you see what Hugo sent?
No, I did not. But I will check. Oh, okay. Never thought about that either.
Hmm. Well, at least people are seeing it.
Well, that's just about to say it. That's the takeaway I take.
Yeah, at least people are seeing it. All right, let's get focused.
We got. Oof, look at this run.
Double bottom there on the NQ. As I'm gonna follow all the rules today. Watch, following all the rules.
I can't do anything on the NQ yet. This is too.
Hey, that's Bourbon God.
Yeah, you got it done early, didn't you? Look at you. Nice.
Good job, dude. Way to go, Dorian. All right.
Short. Definitely short. We're getting into that territory.
Yeah, we had like my opening comment said, we had to stay above the level we were at to really want to be big time long. So I'm just gonna let this get out of this area. Look here on the NQ. I'll. You guys want me to draw a trade out for you? Should have left the level below. I should have left my level down. I had a level down here around set 74. Yeah, it was.
Do I have a lag or something? Nope, no lag. Oh yeah, big lag. Oof.
Oh man, I have a second lag. Okay, that's not horrible, but not trading with
Can
that lag.
probably fix that though.
Yeah, I'll work on that in a second. Um, so most likely, we could look. We could possibly see a two-way trading environment for a little while this morning. I don't think we have. Let's see here. I forgot. I guess we start showing up early for news again, huh? On news days, we can start doing that.
But did we have news? Was that even considered news? Did anything happen?
Well, I mean, we had unemployment claims, unemployment rate this morning, non-farm employment change. It didn't really do anything.
Tempting to take a short here, but I'm gonna wait. And it would have worked. Look at that.
What?
Ugh, the short on the NQ. As I'm tempted to take a short here, but I was gonna say I'm gonna wait, but it would have worked.
So anyway, good chance that we'll see some kind of range bound environment. It looks like we're seeing that somewhere between this R2 level and all the way down to maybe 130. So pretty decent size range, about 100 about 130 point range. Same on the ES. Again, in the past when we got here, guys, when we got here in the past, oh my goodness. Okay, same on the ES. ES is sitting a little bit higher than the NQ, respective to their price levels. So if the ES breaks above, the NQ would become a long again as well. So let's keep an eye on that. There's a little bit of an arbitrage play between the two here. So we'll see. That was a long setup there, but I'm not. I'm going to wait until we get the perfect setup. I'm following oversold stochastics, waiting for these little W's or consolidations, and then doing it from a level. That's all I'm going to do. No more, no less. Let's see. We have existing home sales at 10. That thing's really getting on my nerves this morning.
Uh,
As again, wait for the pass through. Yeah, that's. I'm going to be patient. Let's get out of this area, guys. Although, if we sit here much longer, nice. Have a good one, Dorian. See you, buddy. Good job.
see you, Dorian. That's how you do it, brother. Get it done early and go.
Yeah, get Hawaiian shirt Friday. Get green. Get gonged. Get gone Friday. Tomorrow. Let's keep it a good week, guys. From what I've seen so far, I think everybody, for the most part, has had a good week this week. So let's not mess it up today. Let's not mess it up today. Patience, and discipline will win the day. And listening to Coach Paul's trade calls and NQ.
Coach Paul has no trade calls. We're in a, I mean, no, I'm not even going to put that out there because somebody will do it.
What?
I mean, you could definitely trade. It's trading within this range right here. You could definitely scalp the tops and bottoms of this if you wanted to.
I'm considering going to like a
I've taken the 26 a couple of times and it's working. So,
nice
but I don't want to call it because it's a little higher
profits
risk.
yourself.
Yeah, I want to keep the money for myself.
We'll get back into the.
I don't want to
Well,
share it. Nah, I'm not comfortable. But that's not a plus plus setup. Although we could put this thing on two ways right now.
that's
Brian.
what I'm about to do. I'm about to do that. Again,
Long or
I
short?
look back here in the past. Like, I need to use a 60-minute chart for that, but look back here in the past, and guys, we've ranged a lot in this area. A lot. Range. Even down below it, right here, range. So I'm pretty confident that we could do that for a little while. If we see the ticks, you know what? Let's do that. We're kind of right in the middle anyway. So I'm going to go two directions here on the M and Q. And well, it's sitting kind of in the middle. Yeah, that should be pretty decent. Let it pop up and down a few times. And if I see the tick speed up, I'll just close it with a small loss. Watch it, it's going to break out this time. That'd be silly.
It's usually how we do it, right?
Well, keep an eye on the
Yeah,
ES.
no.
If the ES goes above the level it's at, we kind of need to close out the MNQ. And it's just poor timing on our part if it breaks out this time. But it should get a couple. It should take a few. What's the word I'm looking for? A few orders. We still have a lot up here for it to break through. So there we go. All right. All right. Does anybody want me to draw the trade that I'm looking for? Yeah, this is a tough one. Anybody? Nobody? Somebody? I like doing this sometimes. Look at that. Just drag this across. See what you got here. Lots of trading in this area. Oh, I can't go back to. I don't have enough days loaded on this one. Okay, if you see the tick speed up really fast, like they're starting to do, and it breaks one of these levels, we're going to close it out. I don't care if it's in a positive or negative territory. That's all there is to it. So if it like now, let's see. Yeah, we got last stop on the train for me is down here at this level. So if it starts to break this one, what did I say earlier? Right around 120. If it doesn't bounce there, I got to close it. I don't care if I'm positive or negative. There's a long.
Yep.
That's actually that's actually the area I was about to draw out
I was
as
going
a
to say
long.
you could. I was about to tell you could take along on the NQ.
I was literally about to draw that out if somebody said, "Yes, draw it out for me." I didn't set up the way I wanted it though. I wanted this thing to set up.
Oh, it's a clean long right there. Bounce right off VWAP and everything. That was perfect.
The only thing I wanted is I wanted it to come with a little bit more structure, a little bit more stopping, and then take off with it. I wanted more candles here. I wanted to see 3 or 4 more candles, but that was a good trade. That was a good one. That was literally the one I was going to draw out, guys. Now it'd be nifty if this comes down and makes a double bottom here. We get this, push up, push back down here, and it trades like that. I'll take that as a long, which is in my plan today anyway. So look at that. Look at that. All right. I don't know if I can stomach this two-way trading anymore right now. I'm gonna kill that and wait for a proper setup. Okay, Megan. Anybody that's following me on this? Maybe we try to get one more contract on the short side. As soon as this turns around here, I just don't like this. I don't like the price action now. It looks too much like it's gonna break out. Yeah, I can't do it. I'm gonna keep my profits. Killing it.
I happen to agree with you.
There you go. That's what I was looking. That Megan. Just so you guys know, Megan's the only one that was following me. See how this started changing price action? How this candle started jumping in out of nowhere? Did you see that, Megan? That's what I was looking for to kill the trade. Yeah. So when you start seeing that happen, that usually means this thing's going to go. And that's part of the price action training we did. And you see this volume has sped up a lot right now. And the ES just broke that high, so I have to get myself back to thinking on these longs now. And again, we did think that today was going to look like this because why? It did it before. And opening comments, guys, remember this stuff. Opening comments. If we stay above these levels, we should have some good longs on our hands. We got nothing really above us. So what do I want to see on the NQ again? I'll show you guys. It'd be really cool to see this push up to this R2 level, or even down to the bottom of this level and get the trade that we got this morning. I take that again. Stochastics aren't going to be oversold by then. And we're in a neutral, again, neutral trend, so two-way trading environment. And again, that would have worked. We still would have worked there on the two-way trading, but I just couldn't stomach it for any longer. So what do I want to see? I want to see. Does anybody want me to show you what I want to see? Like draw it out again?
Show us.
No, I'm going to make them beg for it. Make them beg for it.
Could
I'll keep
take
it myself.
a long here.
I just like getting somebody to say, yes, show me. The nice. The only one. Good old. This is not bad. I want to see this. I really want to see this double bottom like we saw back here. Same for the ES. And again, if this works out like
Go
this,
long.
like I drew out earlier, and we
Long.
get back around this, there's your long.
Sorry, long.
Yeah, that's.
I'm in. I don't know if everybody got that. Boom.
Too busy listening to me. Good trade.
Oh, it's just like taking candy from a baby. Love this. Thank you.
Shut me up and tell me to take the long with you.
Yeah, I didn't want to interrupt you, but it was setting up.
I'd like for it to be a little bit lower. That's it.
Yeah, but look at okay. Yeah, I know what you're looking at.
But you got it. Oversold stochastics, crossing HMA,
but it came right to
from
that
a level, and
yeah.
the 77. I mean, there's a lot of confluence in that one.
You got a hook of stochastics. You came into the level. I mean, I know it still hit our rules,
Yeah.
and it was right off of 77. So that's just confluence, buddy.
Good.
I can't pass on that.
No, that was good. I just wanted. I was looking for something different. That's all.
Uh-huh.
I was looking for the double bottom or the trade I took earlier.
And I would venture to say that we were both right. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I mean, you were obviously. I just. Oh, jeez. Harriman.
But you were the one say follow the rules, and that was in our rule set.
Yeah, I
But
just
the added 77 makes it even
me
better for me.
personally, and you're better at this than me, but I have a hard time taking those V bottom, V top, V bottom
Right,
trade.
but it was right off of 77 in a level with the hook of stochastics.
Those are just hard for me to take.
Followed every rule you talked about this morning.
Yep, that's it too. It did. It
Can't
did.
yell at me for that one.
No, why? Why? That's perfect. Are you still in it?
Yep.
Oh, that's that's
Anybody
gonna
else
be
take it?
a done trade for you.
Yeah, that's the one and done.
Dang it.
Why we wait for the right setup.
Good trade.
Thank you.
Do you get it, Megan? Good job.
Nice,
It did
Megan.
close to what I wanted,
Nice.
but
Did you get it, Megan?
she
Or were
said,
you
I don't know if
asking?
she took it. If she did, great job. Dang. All right. I guess I'll just have to wait now. Oh man, this is gonna take off without me.
It's one thing about the NQ guys when you can't hesitate when it hits those rules all those little check boxes get checked, take it. I did, but it wicked me out. Ooh, wow! Wicked you out where? Did you move your stop up to break even? You did, didn't you? You got in later. Oh, okay. All right. Well, that's understandable.
Oh, this push back down got her. That wick right there got her.
Yeah, I was gonna say because I never touched my stop and it didn't. Short ES maybe, Brian? No.
Hmm. I'd like to see a pullback for a long, to be
Yeah,
honest
me
with
too.
you.
But I'm almost.
Maybe back at the top of this level if it gets there at these highs from earlier for NQ as well. That would be from a level. It'd be a first touch as well at that point. I think I could probably get down with that. All right, I'm gonna look for it.
Oh, there we go. Now
I mean, you could do a little short on the ES possibly.
getting
If
a
that M
getting an
finishes.
getting a pullback on the NQ now.
Yep, I'm gonna be looking at that right now.
Pullback on the NQ.
Let's get it stop here. It's got to stop here for me there.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Excited about it. They got all the retail people in that push up to all the
Hmm.
slubs to press a buy button after that big jump up, and they just took all their stops out. Oh, this didn't set up the way I wanted it, but that's
I
long.
am long. I am long again on another count.
I gotta start my stop down there. Dang.
Y'all got to start
Oh, yeah,
listening to me.
targets. There we go.
Stop
Good.
doubting me and just take the damn trade. I'm gonna yell at you like you yelled at me.
Yeah,
You
yell
yell
at
at
me.
me all the
Yell at me.
time,
Yell at me.
guys. Y'all have no idea how much this man yelled at me.
I did
It was
for a
not
while.
pretty either.
You asked for it, by the way. You did
I
ask
don't
for it.
ever recall asking for it. I just
You
kind of
did
got
too.
it.
You did too. I was like, listen, I'm gonna kick your butt. You totally asked for it. All right, 2 for 2 on the NQ today.
Killed that NQ trade. Woo.
There's
I'm
a,
hitting all these accounts today. This is still got a few more to go, but
that's still gonna be long here, guys, but that's a hard one to take. A little double bottom on the ES from the first touch rule, and a retest of this level here. Didn't quite get oversold though. Yeah, it just came right down to this Globex level. Yes, should and NQ should still go up from here. They should. If they don't, they're just taking stops. That's all there is to it.
switch account.
There it is, taking off on the long side. Ah, missed it.
I gotta switch this account. These levels are working pretty good this morning. Be aware of that.
They work. They just work. What do you think? 26 long?
No, not right now. Well, no. Hold off.
Okay, boss.
Hold off. Let it
Chopping
let
it.
it let it come through and then back up. If it does that, you're good. See, it's going to break through here. It's got to close below it. Got to close. Did not close below it. Yeah, it did.
It did.
Yeah, take it.
I missed it. I'm not gonna.
Take it. You got to be quick on it.
Nope, I missed it.
Yeah, don't chase it. But that was it right there. Close below and back through.
That's it. Anybody grab that?
You had to be super quick to catch that.
You have to get them quick, quick, quick.
Yeah, that was a split second little,
Breaking R2
but it
on.
worked.
Uh,
These are the things. Who was asking me about yesterday? Those are the things I practice. Those kind of entries, which are very hard to catch.
hey, Daniel. Good job. All right. There you go, Daniel. First day on the job, and you're in.
Nice, Daniel. Good job.
Hey, have you done a coach? Has he done coaching call? Have you done a coaching call with us, Daniel?
Who?
Okay. Let's get you
No,
on Paul's calendar for.
I have not spoke to Daniel yet.
Yeah, let's get you on Paul's calendar for a coaching
Let's
call
talk.
so we can get you going with us.
Make sure you're set up correctly and got
Yeah.
everything you need.
Get you all
What we're
set
here
up.
for.
Ready to go.
We'll leave the light on.
That's what you pay us for, dude.
Might as well take advantage of it. All right, let's see here. I'm running out of accounts to trade.
Oh, there you go. Reach back out to Miss Paulina. She'll get you on Paul's calendar. All right. Let's see here. I forgot I need to check something here. I'm just gonna be patient on the next one.
Yep. Gotta wait.
Get it out of this junk here before we trade again. Although it's still looking long. Any breakout traders, just put a buy stop above those recent highs on the ES and NQ.
Yeah.
If you're keen on breaking out, that's that would be a breakout that would run. But that's a big risk trade, so just know that. You could literally just have a buy stop at like what 270 and
Like right now,
yeah, like right now, like right now,
as you're talking,
and 80,
there it
82.
is.
There you
Boom.
go. Told you that would take off. It's magic. There it goes, taking off now. I'm sure Tick Strike's lit up all green.
Hmm.
Or Tick Blaze, whatever it is.
It's solid green.
Yeah. You set that one out? Yeah. 5 minutes till news. Wait, we have 10 o'clock news? What? I looked at that earlier. What was it again? 10 a.m. o'clock news?
10
Oh,
a.m.
existing
o'clock.
home sales. Yeah, unemployment didn't do anything, so
I was going to say I'm not all that scared of news right now.
unemployment didn't do
Like
anything.
if all that news we had this morning didn't even do anything, I'm not too worried about.
Anybody do the breakout trade and get some profits on it? I'm gonna wait for again. I'm following the rules. Then wait for no, yes. Mania did it.
Let it come back. Okay, now you might could first touch.
Oh.
I took that first touch just so you know.
Oh, by the way, Paul, I'm going to tell you, Dave got back to me. He's going to be starting today.
Okay, is he with me?
No, he's going to get set up today.
With Hugo
Maybe
first?
he just said that he was going to join
Okay.
today. And there's another breakout trade about to happen here. I'm not trading those right now, though. I'm waiting for proper setups. Being a good little trader, like I told you guys I was going to be. On the NQ, that is. Now, obviously, I'm on a different account on the ES here, but the bird said so as well. Maybe I can train the bird to do long calls. It just sits there and stares at the screen with that one eye. It like stares with stupid bird. Can't see forward, huh? Can't see forward. It always kills me. Birds can fly straight, but they can't see straight.
Yeah, it's kind of weird because they look to the right and left.
I know, right? They have a GPS system. 7-7 word game. Hey, WD, good trade. I just gotta see. I mean, guys, I will trade this. I mean, at some point, I'm not gonna trade this junk out of this. Although, again, like I told you guys, I did do that on the ES there because I got a bigger account over here that I could trade. So I got the ES long on the breakout. I started with a stop below this. Got 2 targets off. I meant to pull it over when I took the trade because I saw the breakout coming. So got that puppy in there. This is gonna be a runner on the ES too. I'm gonna leave my stop pretty loose on it. If you're in did anybody take the breakout when I called it? What you looking at there, Mania? Oh, I meant to fix my delay here. Oof, gotta fix that. Lagging on me. Daniel knew me. Oh, good. Okay, Daniel, I don't want you really doing breakout trades early on with us, but good way to listen. I'll give you that one. Way to listen, dude. All right, we have to use this stop under this last pullback here. That low was 85, so 84.75 stop. And if it takes that, it's going back down anyway, so kind of have to do that. But it should continue up from there. And still waiting on a good setup on the NQ. I will do that as well.
If you're gonna get a pullback,
What is this?
You get a pullback.
What'd you say?
I'm just looking at this to see if this is long. I just got to find somewhere to get in.
I know, me too.
I just can't find it. It's not going to give us the setup we need.
I don't think so. What's going to happen? And here's what's going to happen. What's going to happen is it's going to take off. like yesterday, and probably end up overshooting this level here. Maybe we get a pullback now. Oh, it's going to take me flat. Flat. Okay, maybe first touch rule here. Never mind. Let me get my affairs in order and get ready to do this. Okay. Let's see if we get a.
Careful on this thing coming back here.
Well, so
Just
now
be
it's got it.
patient.
So here's the
Be
deal though.
careful.
It's got to break above this high of 276.
77.
77. It's got to break above
Imagine that.
77.
Imagine that. A back through here wouldn't be a half bad trade, to be perfectly honest with you. So I got high momentum. This is. Yeah, this is
That would
setting
be the
up.
setup if it's set up right.
No,
If it doesn't,
never
I'm gonna
mind.
yeah,
No,
cancel it.
no, never mind. It
Cancel it.
just broke down.
I like
Had it
those
come
buy
back
and
through.
sell stops. When you get a little structure like this, guys, go ahead and put your buy or sell stop in. Buy stop in today, obviously.
Yeah, everybody knows how to do that, I assume, right? We don't have
You
to
guys
go
know
over
how to
that.
do that, right? That's pretty straightforward. Anybody have a
When we
issue?
say a back through, buy stop, sell stop.
What are you from Missouri?
Missouri.
Now it's working. Look at it.
Now it is. Yeah, but that broke down below that 89, but it did work. But again, higher risk.
So I'm just going to put a sell stop in, guys. Literally, all you have to do once you have your chart trader set up, put this on a different account. Let me do this. Just
Put it
so it
on
doesn't
sim
get
since
hit.
it's just so you don't do anything crazy.
So it doesn't get
Put
hit.
it on sim that way it doesn't
Yeah.
mess anything up.
Put that on a different account. Put that on the sim account. Okay, so you got your ATM set up. I went through and did this. I'm doing a 32 tick target on 2 contracts and leaving one, and auto break even at negative 32 ticks. That way it captures some good coins.
I'm
I think that's good.
28. I'm 28 on my first target.
Okay, so we're close. That's a
Yeah.
good ATM then. So if you think you want to get a sell in, you just right click on the screen, sell stop. Just put it where you want it. It's that simple, guys. You want to take a buy order, right click on the screen, buy stop. Now Ninja won't let you do it if you have an ATM, but really
Did you get that? You didn't? Did you get what I sent you yesterday? The
oh shoot,
trade from the chart
I
that
forgot
would
to
that
download
would
it.
fix that problem, and you don't have to do all that right clicking garbage. You just hit shift for a buy, alt for a sell.
Oh, okay, let me
Yeah,
download that.
you don't want to mess with all that right clicking stuff, or you could just install Joel's chart trader and you'd be done with it.
I could do that.
Yeah, imagine
I
that.
do have access to it.
You do have access to it.
I'm such a simpleton when it comes to this stuff.
Oof, look at this thing.
Yep, staying away from this one now.
Just stay out.
Although a
Look,
deeper pullback,
right. Yeah,
isn't
but
it
look at
funny
your
how this
ATRs up to 41. Be careful. Careful on the NQ right now. Oh, this is a
ATR
pullback.
on ES is almost 7? Isn't it funny how it reacts off that 200 on a regular basis as well?
Mm-hmm.
Let me get that file. I'm gonna download that while I'm waiting here for a good. At this point, I'm gonna take the double bottom off the table and just stick to those small little consolidations. I'd have to see the double bottom down here somewhere, back down around that 200 level, or
You're
even
getting
lower. Sorry,
you're getting a setup here. I'm going to pass on it, but it is a legitimate setup out of this zone here.
Because again, I think I would have to start with my buy stop at 244.
Yep.
A little bigger for me.
Yep. It's too much risk for me. That's why I passed on it, and that's why. Look at it go.
I want something like the way this was setting up, or again, the trade this morning that I took, go way all the way back here. This little tiny structure, that's what I want to see. That's the next trade I want to see. A little tiny consolidation. The bigger the candle is, the scarier it is. It's scary for me. Scared. Yeah, I can't buy this. But again, if you wanted to put a buy stop in, your buy stop would be at nope, never mind, you don't do it.
Now you will most likely get a bounce here off VWAP in this zone down here around the 177 to 167 range, but it's probably just going to be a bounce.
Momentum's about to turn down.
Closure. This thing's lit up red. And your
This is where it came from earlier. This is a little bit lower, but so if you really want it, buy stop be like 211. Boom.
yeah, I had to be quick.
I just couldn't convince myself to pull the trigger on that one.
That's the thing with this volatility and a 43
Yeah.
ATR. You better be real fast with your entries. I'm telling you, you could take a bounce right here coming up.
I can't convince myself. 177 you're talking about?
Yeah, maybe even down at that zone, the top of that zone, just let it break it a little bit. Yeah, this thing's just. Oof. I got a better idea. Sit on your hands.
Don't do anything. Yeah.
Much
Don't do
better
anything.
idea.
Don't do not.
We don't
do
have
nothing.
to trade. See,
Don't do nothing. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Now, if it comes back up through, no, I just.
I mean, could we find a trade here? We could. Is it an A plus trade right now? No, not with this volatility and these
Might
ATRs.
make a double bottom
So
here.
if you got a big green, if you're comfortable green, you're willing to risk a few ticks. You're getting a double bottom here. You're going to get a bounce here.
Yep.
You're going to get a bounce here, but
I'm not quite big enough green to take
I'm
that
on the
one.
sell band right now. I'm just waiting for it to break the 77 and hold. But this is a sell. These are shorts. But it's going to have to go back up to go down. So that's why I said you can get your bounce.
Good job, Daniel.
Just got the trade coming out of the 1 hour sell order block. Okay. It's a big order block, 1 hour. 5 minute. Okay. Consolidation right here.
Yep. All right. I'm gonna do this M and Q tick entry here in a minute again. Should have had that long. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't. As soon as we broke up there, I should have turned that back long when we got the separation on the. That was a miss on my part. I was too busy looking at the ES and NQ, and there was the long. That's a hard one to take, guys.
I told you were going to get the bounce. I mean, I said it like 17
You
times.
did say it. You did say it. I couldn't bring myself to do it though. That's
Me
like
neither.
price action.
Me neither.
Now on the NQ again. Full disclosure, I did do it on the ES.
It's funny how you got the confidence on the ES to do it.
I know, right?
What you're comfortable with. I'm the other way around.
Super confident with the ES doing it. It's gonna go get my stop.
Let's see. I'm on the short bandwagon now. You're getting your.
That was definitely a sell signal.
I still got to break this 177 here.
Down. I mean, keep saying it this week. Trade with momentum, stochastics, HMA crosses. And you're probably going to be right most of the time. Look at that. All right. I don't think did anybody take the bounce that Paul called? Oh, okay. Nice. Good job, guys. All right. There you go. Good job.
Nice one.
There you go.
Juan's good. Juan listens.
Yeah. I like people listens. Daniel listens. He's new. No pun on his last name, though. But
newbie.
I like people that listen. It makes it easier for us.
I got all these accounts traded, and then the one account that we're trading in the Tick Century micros, I only made $3 on. That's a funny looking P&L here. Here, I'll take a picture of it. Still got more to trade, though.
Okay. Let's see. What is this low? Maybe we go a tick higher. That's 66.75. Nope, 66.50. Sorry, 68.50. What's wrong with me? I'm looking directly at 68 and saying 66. 68.50 is the stop on the ES. We'll see. Almost got my bench back up over 300.
Oh, those days are over for me.
Not for me, buddy. I've been been hitting the gym pretty hard lately. Past couple weeks. Trying to look around for something to take action on here. No rush. I don't think there's any rush to do anything right now. It's only 10:15.
Yeah.
Um, nope, no. There you go, Justin. Yeah, patience, discipline. I think somebody says that sometimes. You can. Let's see. I got one more. I'm gonna switch this to a different account over here, and then oof. All right. I will be looking for a rally and a sell
All
signal.
right. We need to trade this micro account, this tick century micro account. Finally turn this thing on.
I'm gonna go short bias now. I think I need to do a bigger tick spread, but I'm gonna try to get the contract there.
What size?
So 45, but I'm gonna move the contracts
Short
to
bias?
short
All
bias,
right, turn it on.
and I'm gonna take these levels that we have here earlier. Um, I want to get one at the top of this range that was just made, which is where a bunch of sales came from there. I'm gonna get
There we
this out of the
go.
way now. And we may not even get deeper than that, but there's some good levels back here from the NQ, MNQ. I was actually just about to say that when you said it. I like that level.
Yeah, I was like, I got a weird looking
Just
here. Okay.
literally just about to say that.
There's my P&L so far for the morning. And look at that, $3 on this micro account. Gotta get more
Hey,
money.
nice job.
Thank you. Guys, NQ's just giving it up today, people.
So there's my orders on the. I got one at the bottom of this little range here, one at the top of the little consolidation. There's just looking back at these levels that were made. There's one at the top. This was where all this earlier morning sales came from. So I like that contract there.
Up.
This one should probably be just a little bit higher.
Oh, crap, it took my target. Dang it. I didn't move it far enough.
So
just leave it on, I guess.
I'm leaving it on. I mean, momentum's strong down now.
Yeah, you're right.
NQ, all I'm looking for is a rally to sell. ES, I'm looking for a rally to sell here. NQ and ES probably happen at the same time. You're going to don't take my target. I want to stay in this. I want to stay in. All right, there's your MNQ. Did anybody doing it with Coach Paul and I?
Nice.
Anybody
Good day
doing
today. I'm at
not a bad day, is it? Huh?
may
2
have
for
to take
2
a
on the
break after
NQ,
this.
2 for 2 on the ES, 2 for 2 here on the MNQ. I mean, no losing trades so far. I like that.
All right, I'm going to do a mandatory coffee break here. Be right back.
All right. So while I'm waiting for a proper trade on the ES and NQ, here, let me do something real quick. If you're watching us on YouTube or somewhere online, come join us. LibertyTradingClub.com. We'll give you a 7-day free trial. No pressure, no nothing. It's really straightforward, simple to join us. 7-day free trial. You get to use all our tools, like the tick center you're seeing. Get our trade calls live with you. You get to spend more time with us. You'll have the live trade room. Again, if you're on NinjaTrader, you get to use all our tools. And then as you get further down here, into our members area, we have a lot of assets you can have access to. Our training videos, afternoon trade session we get access to as well. Our member meetup in the afternoons at 4 p.m. Our afternoon trading session at 1 p.m. Eastern, 1300. And then down here at the bottom here are elite class replays. Those are pretty nifty for a lot of people. And then the mobile app, so you'll get a lot of access to things that we give to you here at Liberty Trading Club. Come join us, 7-day free trial. Thank you. All right.